Tight calf muscles can lead to plantar fasciitis, Achilles issues, knee pain, and inefficient movement. Stretching your calves reduces risk of injury, improves blood flow, and range of motion. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a variety of ways that you can stretch your calves. For best results, before you stretch your calves, make sure they're warm. An example of a sufficient warm-up is walking, jogging in place, calf raises, jumping jacks, or riding a bike. Time to stretch!
Up first is seated calf stretch. Begin in a seated position on the floor or your bed. Place a strap or towel around the ball of one foot. With your back straight and your shoulders down, gently pull your foot toward you. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds before switching to the other side. Up next is downward dog alternating calf stretch. Get into a downward dog position. Press your palms into the ground, pushing your weight back into one foot. Push your heel toward the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then switch to the other side. Alternate pressing one heel toward the floor. Up next is wall calf stretch. Place your forearms on the wall in front of you. Step one foot back, bending your front knee and straightening your back leg. Press your back heel toward the floor. You should feel a stretch in the calf muscle on your back leg. Hold for 30 seconds before switching to the other side. You can also try placing your front toes on the wall, straightening your back leg. Shift your weight forward into the foot that's on the wall. You should feel this in the calf muscle on the front foot. Hold for 30 seconds. For a deeper stretch, you can use a slant board. Place the slant board against the wall. Most slant boards are adjustable for you to set the height to your needs. The higher the angle, the deeper the stretch. The first slant board stretch you might try is 1 foot on the slant board calf stretch. Stand with 1 foot on the slant board and the other foot behind you with your back heel off the ground. Avoid arching your lower back. Hold for 30 seconds. You can also try standing with both feet on the slant board at a time. For balance, you can use the wall. Hold for 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can turn the slant board around and stand with both feet on the slant board with your back to the wall. Hold for 30 seconds.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to stretch your calves more often. Comment below and let me know which was your favorite calf stretch. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you never miss a helpful upload. I'll see you next time.